How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fierce Technology. Today we're unboxing every single color of the PlayStation 5 controller so you can decide which color you want to purchase. If you want to know the current pricing of all of the controllers that we unboxed today, I'm going to link them all in the description box below. They are affiliate links, so if you use those links, they do help support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything extra. So I really do thank you for that. Let's get to the unboxing. And we'll start off with Cosmic Red. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So I just smashed away on the box right here. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna rip it open here. And we're gonna tell you everything that's included inside of the box for this. And spoiler alert, it's really not that much. And we've got the controller and ta-da! Nothing, just nothing. Throw that all aside. Let's pull out the controller itself. Okay, Cosmic Red is what they call this one here. I would say it's kind of pinkish red, not really my style. A little bit pinkish red for me. It's like darker than I thought it would be. We've got black buttons on here, of course. If you're looking for Cosmic Red, well, that's your color choice, not mine. We'll put that aside though. We've got the purple one right here. This is called Galactic Purple. Is it that right? Yeah, Galactic Purple. We got it, Galactic Purple. So let's go ahead and open up Galactic Purple right here. This one I was actually a fan of when I saw it in store. We already know we get nothing besides the controller itself, so we'll grab the controller out. All right, here we go. We've got the Galactic Purple right here, and I like this one. Okay, impressive. I really like the purple in here. It's like a darker purple, so you can see it right there. So very good looking, but still, the purple, it's impressive. Purple so far is my #1 favorite. All right, let's go on to the blue. This one they call Starlight Blue. Starlight Blue. All right, let's see what Starlight Blue is all about right here. This is gonna be probably a lighter blue, like more like a sky blue. It's not like a darker blue. I prefer the navy blues over like the sky blues, but let's go ahead and see what we have right here. Okay, yes, very light blue. Very good. I do actually like the blue on this one here. I wasn't expecting to like the blue as much, but it's like a lighter blue. Again, I mean, I almost would prefer to have, let's have like the darker purple, but in a blue. I think that would be good. The purple's still nice though. The purple's still nice. I think between the purple and the blue, I think I'm going purple. So far. All right, next one, let's go classic white. I mean, the white that you guys know that comes with your PS5. But hey, I mean, if you want to match your PS5, you want to keep it classic, go with the white again. There's nothing wrong with the white. Also, the cool thing about the white's also like $5 cheaper for some reason. I don't know why. Well, I mean, I guess they just want people to pay extra for the colors because they know people are probably gonna buy the colors. But if you don't really care about the color that much and you want to just match your PS5, the classic white. I think the classic white is a great way to go. It's not like a really bright, vibrant white. It's very just much like a kind of a muted white, and it's got a little bit of a matte texture to it. I mean, the texture on the back is the matte, and then the front, it's a little bit more glossy on the front. But nonetheless, whites, I think white is a smart decision to go. White, save that $5, go with the white. All right, next up we've got the Nova Pink is the official name of this one here, Nova Pink. Let's go ahead and unbox Nova Pink right here. All right, there we go. Pink, come on. There we go. All right, Nova Pink. Okay, so it's a darker pink than I thought it would be. A little bit darker of a pink. Not too bad. Nova Pink, I don't know. I'm actually kind of digging the pink. The pink looks kind of cool. I'd still prefer the blue or the purple myself, but the pink actually is a darker pink. It's not like a super overly out there pink. It's just kind of like a neutral, muted pink. I do like the pink. The pink is good. The pink was actually probably the most shocking color choice so far. All right, let's go with the brand new camo color here. This one is called Gray Camouflage. Gray Camouflage. Let's go ahead and open up the gray. Come on, the Gray Camouflage. All right, there we go. Gray Camouflage. Gray Camouflage. Gray Camouflage. Boxes everywhere. There we go. Gray Camouflage. looking real fresh. I really like the gray camouflage. What do you guys think of that one? Gray camouflage, I think that looks very, very nice. I like it. It's kind of like it's still got the slightly like satin finish to the top of it, but it's not like super glossy. The back of it's kind of muted as well. But gray camouflage, actually quite impressive. The design is really nice, but I just don't really dig the gray color. I mean, it's nice. If you're into like Modern Warfare or something like that, or Call of Duty, whatever, then you might want the camouflage. I don't know. The last one is the black, the classic black. Do they call this anything special? Midnight black. Midnight black. I'm sorry, not regular black, midnight black. All right, there we go. Midnight black. Let's get this one opened up and see what this one's all about. Cut the package pretty nicely on this one. Oh, and then we ripped it. Of course we did. All right, black. Packaging aside. Get out of here. All right, midnight black. Midnight black. I like it. It's kind of like a satin black. I like the black buttons too. The way the buttons are kind of inlaid there. That looks really, really good. Midnight black. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of the midnight black? If you want to know the current pricing of every controller that we opened up today, I'm going to link them all in the description box below.